Hello guys, we would like to share this small compact space heater. We got it from Amazon. The reason I like this is because it's Amazon Basics. We are very happy with Amazon, the way the service, the company, and I would like to make a review on this. I will attach the link if you want to buy it. We have been using this for 2 years and we got it for $20. So we are not sure how much is the price right now. So it's a small space compact heater. It has a 2 temperature setting. The maximum, this is a 1500 watts. All right. We like it, that's why we are sharing it. We actually have 3 of this. The primary reason is because of the trip protection, the price, and also the company reputation. So for today, we'll show you right now. We're gonna turn on. So right now it's 68 degree on this table. By the way, this one has a temperature control here, okay, and 2 setting and fan setting. We will turn on the lowest setting and we're gonna show you. So as you can see, it's pushing air maximum 3.5 mph. So it's not a very strong velocity, and you have to think, you have to judge this if it's really right for you. So then we're gonna check the ceramic, the temperature in the ceramic. So on the lowest setting, the ceramic coil is 164. Then we're gonna change the setting to 1500 watts. By the way, you can't use multiple space heater because it's gonna trip your electrical, and what do you call this? It's not recommended. Okay, it's not recommended. So it's on the highest setting. The temperature of the coil is at 200 degree. Alright. So alright guys, so like I said, it's only blowing 3.5 mph. You have to think of that. We're gonna test the safety setting, which I really like because I have 2 kids. Oh man, it worked. It worked. So guys, if I made a mistake or you have opinion, concern, please let me know on the comment below. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment. It's free. And yeah, thank you guys.